Very good morning to everybody. Today we'll discuss about notion of human-computer interactions. After this class, you will have a concrete idea about the computer, human, and interactions in HCI. In HCI, what is computer and what is human, and what type of interaction we can use. So basically, HCI is abbreviation of human-computer interactions. From this picture, you are able to see that there is a two set. One is the set of computers, another is the set of humans, and both are interacting. Means human are interacting with the computer, and computer also interacting with the human. So human giving how human are interact with computer through any kind of interaction technique. It may be mouse based, or it may be through keyboard, or it may be speech based, it may be gesture based, it may be any other mode of interactions. Okay, and computers, okay, displaying the output, okay, through the monitor, interacting with maybe some kind of audio output, maybe some kind of textual output. Okay, in that way they are interacting. And moreover, computer is not only the desktop computer or workstations. Computer can be a mobile device, can be a tablet, okay, can be any kind of digital clock, okay, digital clock. It can be spacecraft, okay. Similarly, human also different kind of human may be. They may be male, female, okay, they may be children, okay, they may be from different part of the world, okay. So that are the set of human. So basically, the different kind of human and the different kind of devices, computing devices, not the computer, the computing devices interacting with each other. So far, the notion of computer is concerned. Computer in the form of desktop PC, it can be workstations. Further, it can be embedded computational device like micro oven, spacecraft out cockpit. That is also computer in the aircraft. Then it can be handheld device like mobile, tablet. Computer can be in the form of the network of computer like internet. Okay, so the computer in the case of HCI is not confined only the our desktop PC or the workstations. It can be different type of computing device. Your washing machine, digital washing machine, also one computers. Your spacecraft, also one computer. There also you may design the interface. You have to design the interface for that also. Okay. In human can be classical users having general knowledge of usage of computer like student managers. So they are the basically intermediate users. They having some kind of knowledge of how to use the computers. Human count can be specialized users. They are basically the novice users, don't have any background how to use the computers. Public in street, station, shopping complex, children, maybe some special need people like disabled peoples. You may have to design a software for the disabled people. Okay, maybe you have to design an interface for the blind people. Then how interact with the blind people through the speech or something else. So you have to decide on that. Okay. Then maybe if you design a software for the layman who don't have any knowledge, okay, maybe you have to design the software. The interface will be in very easy way. Maybe you have to support of different kind of languages. Maybe your user may not be aware with the English. For that, you have to go for the mother language. Okay, maybe your user is not so much literate at all. For that, you have to go for the icon based interface. So human is can be classical user, human can be specialized users, don't have any background on the computers. Human can be group of users. For that interface, you have to design a distributed systems. two or more online user in a network. Human can be in organizations like corporate office, banking. Okay, there may be some different kind of jargons. Okay, different kind of language or different kind of usage of will be there. Okay, you may have to design the interface for them. So far, interactions, different kind of interaction can be possible. Interaction is basically the way action by which two or more objects communicate or interact with each other. So in fact, in the study of HCI, we wish to identify and improve the interaction techniques. There are different kind of interaction technique. Okay, there may be graphical user interface, there may be command line interface, there may be some form filling interface. Okay, there may be some gesture based interacting technique. Okay, so you have to identify here what are the different interaction technique we will need to use for the particular case. Okay, you have to identify how the interaction technique will be much better. Okay, okay. Previously, before 90s, we are not put very much attention on the interaction technique. That's why initially, whenever the computer came into the Indian market, okay, very less number of people are generally use the computers as compared to mobile. Okay, in 2000 when the mobile technologies came, okay, you will find out that everybody are using mobile, irrespective of their educational background, their age, okay, all that things. Why these things happened? Because mobile interface is so much user friendly. Okay, that's why people are much number of people able to use the mobile phone initially. Okay, and at that time very less number of user use the computer. Only the knowledge user who having any background of the computer, they are using computer. Okay, whenever yeah, around 2005-6, you will find out that only the people who having some education background on the computer, they are using the computer. Why? The main thing was the interface was not very good, and the interaction technique is not so good that anybody can use this particular interface. So if you want to further read it, then you can go for the official website for the ACM Special Interest Group, that is SIG Guide, or you can follow a very good book written by the Alan Dix. You will find out in Amazon. If you have any further questions, you can mail me with somalo.course@galgoteuniversity.edu.in. Thank you for listening.